Welcome, viewers. Today, we are diving into the intriguing world of IPTV and its hidden secrets. You might have heard about IPTV, but do you know if it comes with a comprehensive TV guide? Traditional TV viewers are used to guides, but IPTV's take on it might surprise you. Imagine accessing a plethora of channels without fumbling through endless menus or guesswork. With IPTV, the brilliance of a user-friendly guide is seamlessly integrated into your viewing. Ever wondered how intuitive an IPTV guide could be compared to what you're used to? Let's explore this together and understand what makes IPTV's guide stand out. Remember those endless scrolling hours? IPTV significantly reduces time spent navigating for content. A standout feature is its customization. Tailored guides designed for your preferences. Need direct answers? IPTV's guide doesn't just show channels. It highlights top choices. For a streamlined experience, IPTV offers a visually engaging and clear path to entertainment. Wait till you see what 2TV.store can offer your IPTV experience. Breakthrough technology means no more confusion with straightforward, detailed television guides. Why stay in the dark about efficient viewing when it's all a click away with IPTV? Try out 2TV.store, where innovation meets simplicity, enhancing your IPTV journey. Dive into the full experience today. Discover the magic of IPTV for yourself.